Winter has officially started in Tasmania, and that can only mean one thing. It's time for dark MOFO. It could be considered as subversive as you can get in a commercial sense. Art installations from people from all over the world. Many events are free, some paid exorbitantly. I've been invited by Hobart and Beyond to come down on a photo walk with them, and we're starting off in Sora. Sora is this incredible art installation of flashing lights, loud noises, and probably a lot of smoke. So come along to the ride.
Gather round, boys and girls.
Wow, what a great way to start the night. That light show was incredible, and the sound, wow. I hope you enjoyed that, and photos, I think, look amazing. The only thing you could do is long exposure. In the meantime, I got my Moo Brew Dark Ale. Best thing to have on a night like this. Wow, can't wait. The Winter Feast. It's like a temporary street market. Food from all over the world and food you would never expect to eat. Here for 2 weekends only.
Yeah, I'm moving at the speed of sound. I got both hands off the wheel. No, nothing's gonna slow me down. I keep on heading straight to the
How much time, how much money, and actually, how big a stomach do you have? fit everything in. It's all so good.